Let us move to the next presentation, the topic for which is Overview of Inter-Process Communication. Inter-process communication, or IPC, is a mechanism that involves communication of one process with another process. This usually occurs only in one system. Communication can be of two types. Number one, between related processes initiating from only one process, such as parent and child processes. Number two, between unrelated processes or two or more different processes. Let us move to the methods of IPC. Number one, pipes. Communication between two related processes. The mechanism is half duplex, meaning the first process communicates with the second process. To achieve a full duplex, that is, for the second process to communicate with the first process, another pipe is required. Number two, FIFO. Communication between two unrelated processes, FIFO, is a full duplex, meaning the first process can communicate with the second process and vice versa at the same time. Number 3. Message queues. Communication between two or more processes with full duplex capacity. The processes will communicate with each other by posting a message and retrieving it out of the queue. Once retrieved, the message is no longer available in the queue. Number 4. Shared memory. Communication between two or more processes is achieved through a shared piece of memory among all processes. The shared memory needs to be protected from each other by synchronizing access to all the processes. Number 5. Semaphores. Semaphores are meant for synchronizing access to multiple processes. When one process wants to access the memory for reading or writing, it needs to be logged or protected and released when the access is removed. This needs to be repeated by all the processes to secure data. Number 6 is signals. Signals is a mechanism to communicate between multiple processes by way of signaling. This means a source process will send a signal recognized by number, and the destination process will handle it accordingly.